Time is working against Putin and Russia's economy is falling apart, a top German official said. German Vice-Chancellor Robert Habeck made the remarks the same day Russian officials revealed that 5 more generals had been fired. Since invading Ukraine more than 3 months ago, Russia has secured modest gains in its battle for control of the eastern Donbas region. Income from energy sales to Europe has played a major role in funding Russia's war, and Habeck acknowledged that Russia has been aided by historically high energy prices and Europe's inability to completely halt purchases. "We can only be ashamed that we haven't yet managed to reduce this dependence more significantly," said Habeck, who is also Germany's economy minister. But he added that Putin is still getting money, but he can hardly spend it because of Western sanctions. Time is not working for Russia. It is working against Russia, it is working against the Russian economy, he said. No one wants to invest in Russia anymore. US President Joe Biden's administration has decided to provide the Ukrainians with 4 high-mobility artillery rocket systems, or HIMARS, that can strike targets up to 43 miles away. Each HIMARS can rapidly fire up to 6 guided artillery rockets with seekers that lock onto moving targets using global positioning system or infrared sensors. Within minutes, a HIMARS crew can fire, move to another position to avoid being targeted by the enemy, and then reload. Consisting of a single rocket pod mounted on a 5-ton medium tactical vehicle's truck chassis, HIMARS is small and light enough to be moved by Air Force C-130 transport aircraft, as opposed to larger C-17s and C-5s. HIMARS have a reputation as precision weapons. The US military used the rocket systems in Iraq during urban battles to avoid damaging nearby buildings, but in 2010 a HIMARS strike in Marja, Afghanistan, hit the wrong building, killing 10 civilians, prompting the top US commander in Afghanistan to briefly suspend their use. The Ukrainian troops would need about 3 weeks to learn how to operate and maintain the first 4 HIMARS, which are already in Europe. He referred to the 4 weapons systems as the first tranche, but he declined to say how many HIMARS might ultimately be provided to Ukraine. The United States has already committed to providing the Ukrainians with 108 M777 howitzers, which have a range of about 18 miles. But Russia has a large arsenal of multiple launch rocket systems that can strike targets much further away. Retired Air Force General Philip Breedlove, who led both NATO and US European Command from 2013 to 2016, said the HIMARS will improve the Ukrainians' ability to hold their own in the artillery duels with Russia. Rocket systems are also much better than cannons at destroying enemy artillery positions, retired Marine Colonel Mark Kanchan wrote in a recent commentary for the Center for Strategic and International Studies think tank in Washington, D.C. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.